this.
Ice cream cone got it for the chain. With the same team, I'll never change. Range Rover, I'll be switching lanes. Hey, no, me ain't gon' do a thing. Ain't nobody help us, we made this hot. Me and Brandon came up off a drop. 2014 down bad a lot. Now 2020, I pull up the.
Have you ever felt so lonely? Had to run up the bag?
I don't know the rest of the song, but I know this part though.
Bitch, I'm dying.
Looking ass. But anyways, what is up, VHG gang? It's your boy Trizzy back with another video. Today we'll be reacting to ChriseanRock, Blueface artist. You know what I'm saying? This is a song that she made when she got out of jail. My manager told me to react to this shit, so shouts out to her, my manager. You dig? Anyways, we're gonna go straight into this reaction video. You know what I'm saying? React to her song. Without further ado, let's get straight to it, man. She says, my apologies. Okay. The fuck? I'm not gonna hold y'all. So far, I don't know how to feel about this song, bro. Cause like the beat is like, the beat is alright, and you know what I'm saying. Nah, I ain't gonna throw shit on her. I'm not gonna throw shit on her yet. The song not over. I'm gonna keep going. God damn, speak up, nigga. Can't hear shit. Damn, boy, she got that yeah. Bro, I'm gonna keep it a buck. So I'm gonna keep it a buck. I really don't know how to feel about that song. Till like the last ending, I wasn't really catching what she was saying. It sounded like she was fucking mumbling. I'm not even gonna hold you. I don't know, bro. I don't know how I feel about that song, bro. I mean, it was kind of like making me bob my head at the beginning. Then I just got confused. So, is this a song that I will listen to on a daily basis? Fuck no. But, oh, probably for some other people. But, I mean, this shit do got 18K views, so that's good. And the fucking song was 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this. That shit was ass, bro. I'm not even up to that. That shit was ass. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. You know what I'm saying? Me and my manager, we gonna come up with some more ideas and shit for the channel. Get this shit going. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your parents, tell everybody about my channel and shit, you dig? Let's run these views up. Let's run these subscribers up. You know what I'm saying? We just getting started. Me and my manager, we about to blow this whole fucking channel up, bro. On gang. But I hope you guys enjoyed again. Once again, BHG. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and subscribe and join the BHG if you liked this video. If you want more reaction videos, let your boy know in the DMs. And I'll see you guys next time. That song was dog shit.
I'ma have it one day.